Getting started with your new Fairphone. Chapter 1. Introduction. The Fairphone 5 is designed for you, made fair, and we'll keep it the same for this series of tutorials. Whether you just got your new Fairphone and you're wondering how to get started, or you're just sneaking a peek, you're in the right place. To be honest, fully setting up a new phone can take some of your precious time, so consider sparing 1 hour to get this bit done. Don't worry, we'll walk you through some of the basics, including how to transfer your photos and contacts in the next chapters. Chapter 2. Unboxing your Fairphone 5. So, what's inside the box? Let's take a look. There's the Fairphone 5 and a quick start guide, and that's it. Because we're fairly sure that you have a USB-C charging cable at home, and if you do need anything, our online shop has you covered. By the way, pro tip, keep the box for now. You can use it to send us your old phone for recycling. Check out the link below this video to learn all about recycling your old phones with us. Installing your SIM card. So yeah, right from the go, you'll notice the Fairphone 5 isn't your average phone. Before we even turn it on, we'll start by popping off the back cover by separating it from the aluminium frame. With the screen facing down, you'll see a little notch on the bottom right side of the phone. You hear a nice click once it disconnects. Make sure to start there and work your way around until the back cover comes off all the way. Got it? Cool. Now simply lift out the battery from the little triangle at the bottom and it should come right out. There's two handy icons guiding the way now. The left one indicates where and how to insert a nano SIM card into the slot, with the connector facing down and the little diagonal cut out on the top left. It should connect with a satisfying click. Have you considered using an eSIM? You can use this as your primary phone number or double up with dual SIMs, one digital, one physical. Download your eSIM directly from your network provider and continue to follow the instructions before or after your initial Fairphone setup. We've included a link in the description for more information on how to set this up, as well as using two SIMs if that's your thing. Chapter 4. Adding an SD card. Quickly back to the inside of your phone. You'll notice a micro SD card slot, great for expanding your storage up to 2 terabytes. Your SD card of choice goes in the same way your SIM card does. Click and done. You have more than one option for formatting your SD card. Have a quick read of our guide to learn more, linked below. Now you're ready to put the battery back. Make sure to start with the top and lay it down like this. Speaking of the battery, it comes partially charged, so you should be able to get through the following setup process, no worries. Click the back cover back in place and press along the sides with your finger to make sure it's connected all the way. Go ahead and power on your phone by holding down the power button. Chapter 5. Transferring your data. It's time to think about what you'd like to transfer from your old phone, or just wipe the slate clean and start fresh. It's up to you. For now, let's focus on transferring all of your important photos, contacts, and much more. Start by choosing your preferred language on your new Fairphone. Next, you may see an option to download an eSIM. You can choose to do this now or come back later to it via the phone's settings app. Again, link in the description. If you can, connect to Wi-Fi. This can help speed up some of the later steps. Here we go. Time to securely copy apps and data from your old phone. There are a few options for you to pick from. Wirelessly, or restoring data from a Google account, or, our favorite, using a cable to directly connect the two phones. This is the fastest option and will give you the most choice of what you want to transfer. Transferring all of your data can take a while, so consider watering the plants, making a cup of tea, or watching as many of our YouTube videos as possible while you wait. You can find more information about each option, including step-by-step instructions, in the description below. Chapter 6. Finishing the initial setup. Data transfer complete? Great, you're nearly there. We'll quickly continue to finish setting up your new Fairphone. You can choose all kinds of security features like your PIN, fingerprint, and face unlock. Just follow the on-screen instructions to either scan your fingerprint, face, or both, so you can easily unlock your device with either one look or a single tap on the power button. It's reassuring to know that your biometric data is securely stored locally on your Fairphone, so no one else can access it. Finally, a little word from our sponsor, us. Here, you can unlock some additional powers, like a reminder to register your 5-year warranty, which you really should take the time to do. And if you enable push notifications here, you'll also get the occasional interesting and helpful reminder from the My Fairphone app, including product and impact updates, tips and tricks, and a direct line to share feedback with us. Chapter 7. Welcome to your Fairphone. Here we are. You did it! You're now on the home screen of your new Fairphone. You may see some of your apps being installed still. They'll be done soon. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice 3 navigation buttons: Go Back, Home, and Switch Apps. You can alternatively choose to navigate using gestures if that's what you're already familiar with or prefer to try. You can find these navigation options in the Settings app. And there you have it, folks, your crash course in getting started with the Fairphone 5. You can also find all this information again and much more on our website. You can find the link below. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.